Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools, your one-stop shop for all the best automotive gadgets. If you're a European car owner, you know the struggle. Getting the right scan tool can be tricky, but today, we're making it easy. We've got the best European scan tools for you, so you can diagnose, reset, and monitor your car with confidence. Section 1. Why European cars need special scan tools. Why should you care about a European-specific scan tool? Well, European cars like BMW, Audi, and Mercedes have unique systems, sensors, and diagnostic protocols. A generic scanner might not cut it. You need a tool that can dig deep into these advanced systems, give accurate codes, and even perform coding or adaptation tasks. Let's face it, you don't want to waste time at the dealership when you can tackle those check engine lights from your garage. Let's check out the top European scan tools that are up for the job. Section 2. Top 3 European scan tools. Alright, here are the top 3 scan tools for European cars, each with its own set of killer features. Let's dive in. First up, we've got the Automotive 808 Malawian Quatches. If you're looking for a scanner that works with most European makes, this one is a winner. It offers full system diagnostics, including engine, ABS, airbag, and transmission. Plus, it has live data, which is perfect for diagnosing issues as they happen. It's super user-friendly and gives you the option to perform service resets, so you can handle tasks like oil resets or brake bleedings. At $400, this is a great tool for those who want professional-level diagnostics without breaking the bank. Next, we've got the Launch X431V+. This one is packed with advanced features and works with nearly all European models. You can do advanced coding, bidirectional control, and even active tests. Basically, you can control systems in real time. Plus, it supports over 150 car brands, so if you've got more than one European car in your garage, you're in luck. At around $600, it's on the pricier side, but for all the heavy lifting it does, it's totally worth it. And last but not least, the Foxwell T530. This one's made specifically for European cars, including BMW, Audi, Mercedes, and VW. It comes with OEM-level diagnostics, so you get deep insights into everything from engine performance to ABS. Plus, it's super affordable at just $250, making it a fantastic choice for those who want a powerful tool without breaking the bank. It's perfect for DIYers and professionals alike. So there you have it, the best European scan tools that'll save you time, money, and headaches. Whether you go with the Automotive 808 Malawian Quatches, the Launch X431V+, or the Foxwell T530, each of these tools brings its own set of powerful features for European cars. Let me know in the comments which one you're thinking of picking up, or if you already have one. I want to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Weekly Tools for more reviews and tips on all things automotive. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.